Hey guys, this is part 2. So I took toothpick to see this break because I will not take it out of my hand. Oh my god, it actually worked. By the way, I didn't copy anyone for this. I made this by myself. I thought about this yesterday night at 2 a.m. Oh my god, it's so slimy. Oh my god, this actually worked, but I will let it stay in the fridge for a little more time because I didn't keep it overnight. But I learned to keep it overnight, so yeah, bye guys. It works. You can make 3 slimes.